Okay, today we're going to talk about recycling. A lot of homeowners all across America recycle. We got recycling bins everywhere, but it's always us little people that have to do all the work in recycling. Businesses, I've worked at a lot of different businesses, and businesses don't recycle. Give an example. Where I work at now, I must get half a dozen of these boxes a week, just like this size. Every week, a couple of hundred boxes. Okay, different sizes. We take them, we pull our stuff out here, pull it out, and take the box and we throw it in the Gaylord. And it goes and gets mulched up somewhere to make a new box. Why? I mean, if you look at what it took in energy and resources to make this box, and you're just going to throw it away. Oh, we're recycling, we're going to make a new box. You already have the box. To take this apart, to make a new box, look at the water you're going through. You use a lot of water to recycle cardboard and paper, all right? That's got to change. You look at what they're putting in it. This is all recyclable. You can reuse this box. Now they're coming out with this bubble wrap that can't be popped. Throw that in the trash. That goes in the landfill. But there's no incentive for businesses to recycle the boxes. Well, there is. Just needs legislation for it. And what we can do is we can put a deposit on the boxes. Let me explain to you how this works. So, business wants to ship something like this, put it in there, put it up, tape it up, and you put a return address on here. There's your sticker, return address, okay? Then when you go to ship it, you put your shipping address over that. Now, I've seen a lot of shipping things, and a lot of them coming out with now is that there's no packing list on the inside. The packing list is on the shipping label. You just peel it off. Okay, it's perforated. So you put your return address on here, then you put your shipping address over that. And it's a peel off. So the business goes, puts it together, slaps a sticker, they ship it out. All right? And then you get it, you pull your item out, put it over, you peel off your address, exposing the return address, send it back to them. That would work great, but where's the incentive? And that's where the deposit comes in handy. So they're going to put this in there, they're going to have their stickers on here, and when they go to ship it, it's scanned, and they're charged, let's start off with $10. They're charged a $10 deposit. So the shipping company charges the business $10 as a deposit. Okay? Gets shipped out to a customer. I'm shipping that to a customer, and I'm going to charge them, the customer, $10 deposit. So I get my $10 back. So the shipper is not, the business is not really losing any money, but there's still $10 hanging over into the shipping company, whether it's UPS or FedEx or whatever, they're holding that $10. So you get it, you open it up, you pull your item out, close it back up, seal it, you pull your sticker off, give it back to UPS or whatever, they scan it, they reimburse you your $10 deposit. So nobody's really losing any money, but it's the incentive that reuse the box is what we need to do, okay? We don't need to mulch it back down using all this energy and all this water to make another box the same size. They need to start putting deposits on this crap, because then when it goes back to the manufacturer, they get the empty box, let them decide what to do. If they want to throw it away, then fine. That can be their charge. They can pay for that. Or, let's just reuse the damn box. That's my concept. Put a deposit on those damn things.